Hello, and thanks for tuning in. My name is PC, and today we're going to talk about string variables in Java. Specifically, we're going to learn how to create a string variable, how to use them, and how to concatenate multiple strings. This lesson assumes that you understand the material from the lesson Introduction to Number Variables. If you're not familiar with number variables, you may want to take a minute and watch that lesson. This lesson also has a worksheet that goes with it. Please print that out and fill it out as you go along. The syntax for creating a variable is type, name, semicolon, where type is one of the Java data types that are listed on this table. If it's text, the type is string with a capital S. If it's a whole number, it's int or long. If it's a decimal number, it's double or float. If it's a single character, it's char. And if it's a bit, which is true or false, yes or no, it's the word Boolean. A variable can only hold one type of data. If a variable is designed to hold a whole number, you can't put a decimal into it. The name can be almost anything, but it does have rules. It should start with a lowercase letter. It cannot have spaces in it. It should describe the data that it is going to hold, and it should be camel case, which means that if it's multiple words, the words are put together and the first letter of each word is capitalized. So if we want to create a variable to hold text, we would need to make the type string. The statement string sname would create a variable called sname that can hold text. It has to be type string, and again, the name can be anything, but if it's going to hold a name, it should be descriptive, and we want it to start with a lowercase s to represent that that variable is a string. Now you try. If you're in the online course, just click Next. If you're watching this on YouTube, you need to go to logicbox.us and find the problem called Introduction to String Variables. You can find that under the sample problems and then by clicking Java and the category Introductory. Only complete the first step. Create a variable that can hold a string and then press Run.